So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a text box on FreeForm. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up FreeForm, and from here you can see the board that you can use. You can also create a new one by clicking on here, so that's what we're gonna do. So you can see here there's this whiteboard, so you can expand it. You can get a better grasp of what's going on. So on here, let's add a text box. So you can see at the bottom the pencil logo, then this sticker logo or a sticky note logo. You can see that shapes like a square and a circle behind it, as well as images. And right next to that is this letter A within a square. So that would be a text box. So let's click on that. So you can see here it says double tap to enter text. So if we do that, and right now it's going to behave like a text box. So it's something that you put in. So let's write some text here. Click on done once you're done. And obviously you can just expand it. You can make it bigger. As you can see here, you can see the points that you can use. So it's quite bigger right now. So if you want to make something more distinct, you can create bigger text, so you can use different sizes for that as well. But creating a text box is as easy as that. So once you're completed something, you can click on done and the text will look something like this. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.